I don't deny myself bread. I have bread every day. I have bread every day.
I need me some cheesy bread.
This is the joy for me.
This cheesy bread.
I love bread.
I don't know, maybe this is just me, but sometimes I like to do like a half butt sandwich where you take the end of the loaf and but the bottom part is really kind of like the mattress of the sandwich.
You could take 2 heels and 1 slice of bread
I love bread.
in the middle of the heels.
No, that's actually not a bad idea. I never thought to do that. You're actually just making a bread sandwich out of the heels and
It's the world's tiniest loaf.
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy needs cheesy bread.
I truly enjoy hot dog buns.
Get Daddy some cheesy bread. Oh, hey, Ivan, come here. Yes, yeah.
I love bread.
Putin probably has tapes of me ordering cheesy bread.
Touch the bottom.
Get Daddy some cheesy bread.
Okay,
Oh, hey, Ivan, come here. Yes, yeah.
I have bread every day.
You're totally right.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, you can, anyone with a little origami.
This is the joy for me.
Stole a loaf of bread.
Oh, Daddy needs cheesy bread.